Morning everybody. So today is day 2 of the advent calendar opening. I've got an early morning meeting today and it's freezing. So I've put a nice woolly, I picked this jumper up from Elisa's last year and only wore it a couple of times. So I've put my woolly jumper on today. Got a wee bit of slap on. I have eyebrows today. Can't promise that I won't go back to not having eyebrows. Depends when I get up and film. But as I say, I had an early morning meeting today, so thought I'd get up and get dressed. So I'm dying to see what's in the calendar. So yesterday was a primer in the number 7 calendar, which I love. I just love the brand number 7 as well. But I love the way the calendar is. You know, it actually reminds me of the ice cream sellers that you get at the theatre. You know, I can't promise not to repurpose it. So day number 2 is a long one. If you can see that there, day number 2. I'll try and hold it open so you can see what's coming out. Day number 2. And it is an eye pencil. I'm trying to break the whole thing up. So day number 2 is Stay Perfect Amazing Eye Pencils. Now number 7 do really lovely kohl's. Yeah, look. It's got the plastic bit on, which I always struggle to sharpen. So there we go. They're really nice kohl. I'm looking forward to trying that. I use that sometimes when I'm under doing the bottom line in my mascara. Under my mascara. I can't speak this morning. So anyway, a number 7 kohl. And I've been popping everything back in so that I can use it. So I'm opening it today, but I can use it all at a later date. I don't think I'm going to get that one back in though. So I saw my pal Lisa did hers. I saw her do day 1. She got Glossybox and they look fantastic. But she's got this gorgeous red sparkly bow, and I kind of think I need to go and get myself something festive. So who knows what might appear on my head. So day number 2, they look fantastic. So day number 1, I found day number 1 no problem yesterday. And that was the Natasha Denona. So day number 2 is this box down here. And it is one of my favourite brushes of all time. I really love the Luxie brushes. I've got a whole set, and I've actually got this set, but I don't know if I've got this brush. I've won it in a giveaway from It's Always Summer. I don't think she's doing YouTube videos anymore. But actually, just looking up at the brushes, I have this set, but I don't think it's got this brush in it. So, have a wee look. It actually looks like it's it would be a nice highlighter brush. Does it tell you what it is? Yeah, tapered highlighter brush. So yeah, I've got a Luxie highlighter brush in purple, but you can never go wrong with another brush. And actually, it would be quite nice as well. Just if you wanted to, I suppose if you wanted to do a wee bit of finer kind of contouring, you know, powder contour or whatever. But yeah, I love Luxie brushes, so I'm delighted with that. So day 2, I'm looking forward to seeing what day 3 has in store. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and have a lovely day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.